Hi Cat Group, just making this video to try to help you with your summary table that will be due at the end of this module. So for the summary table itself, basically you're taking the key articles that you funneled down to. So hopefully you have right around 3 to 5 key articles that have appraised the highest of everything you've looked at and that have also fit your inclusion and exclusion criteria. What you'll then do is you'll take each article and you're going to put this in an Excel spreadsheet. Make sure you start with the Excel, and then what we'll do is we'll end up copying and pasting it into your manuscript. But you should include the study authors, the title of the study, describe the participants briefly, what the inclusion and exclusion criteria of the study was, what their outcome measures were, and then their overall results of the study. Make sure that you kind of keep this all into a succinct table. I highly recommend taking a look at an existing CAT from the IJATT to see what their summary table looks like to help model yours after it. Sometimes taking a look at an existing one allows it to make a bit more sense as you approach your topic. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I hope all is well. Thanks.